Hey guys, this is Sumit from Sumit's Quintessence, and just wanted to give you a glimpse of one of my oil paintings that I've done recently. So I hope you guys will like it. The video gives you a closer look on this portrait of mine. So let's have a look. So I hope you guys like this project of mine, and do let me know your comments on how you find this. And if you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel Sumit's Quintessence for similar kinds of project works, tutorials, slideshows and many more. Thank you.